And now, on MondasProductions, for the first time this year, we return to the world of Doctor Who figure adventures. Just not where we left off. Action, adventure, time, and space. I don't believe it.
This channel belongs to the Cybermen. You must adhere or you will be upgraded. We are approaching the surface of the planet. Excellent. Prepare for landing and prepare the cannon. Yes, leader. Soon we shall open the lost tomb of the Cybermen, and the first controller will be reborn.
It appears to be some kind of storage facility. Insufficient readings, but that can't be. I gave you a basic panoramic scan. Right, well, let's see if I can get some lights on for a start. No wonder you couldn't get a good reading.
Leader, we have detected the location of the lost tomb. Excellent. Has our access route been correctly navigated? Yes, leader. I am detecting an increased surge of power from within the tomb. Impossible. The tomb can only be breached by Cybermen.
This tomb is ancient, at least 14,000 years old. It does give me an advantage though. Of course, why wouldn't they come whilst I'm here?
Prime the cannon. We shall need it to open the entrance to the tomb. The cannon shall be ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Doctor.
You recognize me?
You are the greatest enemy of the Cybermen.
Well, I do try my best.
Whatever you hope to achieve, we shall open the tomb and you shall not leave this planet alive.
You know, you're not the first leader, well, I'm presuming you are the leader, to tell me that I won't leave here alive.
Step away from the tomb, Doctor.
I was hoping you wouldn't have noticed.
Your intelligence is no match for the Cybermen.
Oh, I beg to differ.
What is that device?
You see, you've removed my little gizmo without even checking what it was even for. Well, don't you want to know?
What did that device do, Doctor? What have you done?
Using my sonic frequency and a few carats of gold from my fobwatch, I was able to boost and transmit a signal to the Siberian to stop this tomb from ever being opened.
That is impossible.
Oh, is it? If I were you, I would get out of here quickly.
You shall never escape, Doctor.
If only it was that easy to stop that many Cybermen all the time. Oh well, can't imagine that'll be the last time I see them.
Don't forget
to click below and subscribe.
Well, how could I possibly forget that? For goodness sake. You got the message, haven't you? Don't forget.